Isa ang breast cancer sa kinatatakutang sakit ng mga kababaihan dahil kapag ito ay napabayaan, maaari itong ikamatay ng pasyente. To date, breast cancer is still the leading cause of cancer among women, accounting for 28% of the total cases. 1 out of 4 who are diagnosed with breast cancer die within the first 5 years, and no less than 40% die within 10 years. It was an evening of fresh hopes for breast cancer patients and renewed dedication among doctors, together with businessmen and prominent personalities to hand-in-hand fulfill every patient's wish and give them the reason to believe that there is wonderful life ahead. An evening to believe, ito ang tema ng pagtitipon wherein doctors, volunteers, pastors, and notable public figures gathered at Crown Plaza and witnessed the installation of Mr. Andy C. Lugtu of Manila Nature's Link as the new chairman, together with the new board of trustees of the Philippine Foundation for Breast Care Incorporated, or the Casuso Foundation, for 2 years.
Actually, ako yata kahit walang MD ang likuran ng pangalan ko, gagawin ko po lahat ang aking magagawa. Nagawa ko na posto sa isang hamak na malunggay. Alam ko na malakas, alam ko na puro, pero hindi ko alam na mas marami po palang nangangailangan.
Noon pa man, ever since I got involved, not in politics lang, kahit nasa show business pa lang, nung nakikita namin yung effects ng mga kababaihan na nagkakaroon ng sakit na cancer, the breast specifically, nakikita namin yung lungkot sa kanilang mga mata. Pero once na na-surpass nila yung pagsubok na yan sa buhay nila, they become so empowered and they learn also to empower others without them knowing it. Kaya from then on, na na-meet ko ang maraming mga breast cancer survivors, na-empower din ako to help and assist women who are cancer patients.
Naku, ang sarap-sarap ng feeling na tumutulong ka lalo na sa mga nangangailangan, di ba? Ikaw ang meron, di ikaw ang magbigay sa wala. Di ba? And the mere fact na wala tayong breast cancer, isang pasasalamat yan, at bilang pasasalamat, di itulong mo yung pagiging healthy mo dun sa mga may sakit, lalo na sa mga breast cancer patients.
Founded by Dr. Florentino Doble, the foundation had been helping countless breast cancer patients for the past 10 years and continuously educating women about the importance of prevention and early detection and aiming a healthy lifestyle.
Kaya nga narating to, gawa ng lahat halos ng pasyente, umiinom na ngayon yan. Before and after chemotherapy. Pag uminom ka nito, tumitigil yung cancer cell. At ang nangyayari ngayon, pag uminom ka ng live oil, tumataas sa salitang hemoglobin. Dahil ang hemoglobin at siyang chlorophyll, magkamukha sila, pagkakaiba lang nila, yung center ng atom nila, ang hemoglobin is iron, at ang chlorophyll naman ay magnesium. Sa lahat po ng may karamdaman, lalong-lalo na may pagdududa, so baka kayo may tumor of cancer, subukan po ninyong uminom ng live oil at mararamdaman po ninyo kagad-kagad ang pagkakaiba. Kayo mismo po makakapagsabi, hindi po ako.
At para sa ating question for the week, blank is still the leading cause of cancer among women. A. Lung cancer. B. Breast cancer. I-text lamang ang letra ng sagot, pangalan at address sa 0917-821-7870 at manalo ng 1,000 pesos cash at isang box ng Malunggay Life Oil. Kaya magmadali, mag-text na at manalo. This portion was brought to you by Malunggay Life Oil, the pure power of Mother Nature.